Pre-cut aluminum foil sheets. Our highest quality foil utilizes the most complex manufacturing process to create a unique orange peel pattern. The aluminum foil sheets are pre-cut for convenience. No cutting, folding or tearing required. Hair foils for color application. These extra durable foil sheets bend to any shape without compromising the integrity of the service. The embossed orange peel design helps hair to better grip the foil and prevent slippage during hair color application and highlighting services. Foil sheets for food. These foil sheets are perfect for wrapping food, such as sandwiches, hot dogs, burgers and baked potatoes. Also great for use in air fryers, restaurants, catering, concession stands, school cafeterias and at-home food preparation. Aluminum foil dispenser. Aluminum foil sheets come in a convenient pop-up foil dispenser box that dispenses one sheet at a time. Embossed foil sheets. The unique embossed pattern makes the foil extra durable so it doesn't stick or tear when coming out of the box. Each foil sheet measures 5 inches W by 10.75 L. Includes 500 foil sheets per box. Foil sheets are made from 100% aluminum and feature an embossed design that helps hair to better grip the foil. The durable foil sheets bend to any shape without compromising the integrity of the service. The orange peel design helps to get a better grip and prevent slippage during hair color application and highlighting services. Top reviews from the United States. 10 out of 10 all I use now. Very durable foils. Comparable to Framar in my opinion. I always use these now.